Malaysia from Royal Selangor, Takashimaya, Singapore. Today I'm very privileged to be here for the tea etiquette training. So tea etiquette actually comprises not just about serving tea, it also involves the types of tea and also how do we actually walk and serve the tea. So there's a lot of things that we learned today, including how to be graceful, how to slow our pace, and I'm very thankful to Miss Elaine and all her assistants for teaching us today and spending a lot of time, and I'm very grateful to be here. Looking forward for the next training session. Thank you.